Noa Show.
Hi, Noah.
What are we doing today?
I don't know. What are we doing today?
We're at a new place today.
We are at a mall. And who came to visit us? Our friend Gree came to visit us. Say hi, Gree. And what did she bring you?
Egg surprises.
Woohoo! What kind of egg surprise is this?
Minion first.
Oh, all right. Are we going to open it up?
Yes.
What do you want to be inside?
Maybe there's going to be a character.
A character? Let's open. Let's see. Ooh, this is so exciting.
Cool.
Ooh, let's check out the box too. Can we check out the box?
Yeah.
It says chocolate and toy treasure. A minion. And look, you can collect all 18 toys.
This is so cool.
That's so cool. What does it look like? Let me see. Whoa.
Yeah, that's right too.
Oh, look at that. That's very cool, huh? All right, let's open it up. Can you open it? Let's start from right up here.
I don't know. They have a lot in Hawaii.
Oh, there you go.
This is going to be so cool.
It's gonna be so cool. All right, here. Can you put the trash inside the box? Look at that!
Chocolate.
Chocolate! Is it good?
Oh, there's an egg
Yeah.
to it. Oh, I didn't know. I thought
Look, there's an egg.
I thought it was the chocolate and the toy was in it. I didn't know it was around it.
Oh, for me?
Yeah.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. Nom, 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 nom. Delicious. We love our chocolate surprise eggs.
What is it called? I think it's
Here, give it to mommy. No, it's okay. Here, Here, you eat it.
really good. What is it called?
Yum, 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 yum. Should we give Eli some chocolate? Here, Eli. Would you like a piece of chocolate? While we wait for Noah to open up the egg. Is that good? Woohoo! Chocolate! Yes! Yes, chocolate! Oh, there's more chocolate. Is that good? Is it good? Yay! All right. Oh, you ready? Okay. Let's open it up.
I can't get the chocolate.
Oh. You can't get the chocolate. Here.
It's a big hole.
Are you going to hold this for me?
Yes.
You hold the phone. And then we'll make the video. Let's see. Oh. Ugh.
Oh, that's what it is. Yeah. But that chocolate.
Uh-oh. There we go. Hey, you're messing up the video. People are going to get sick. All right, you ready? Oh, I opened it. What could it be? You chocolate eater. Ooh. Did you just stuff your entire face with chocolate? Is it good? All right. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a figure. What? What is it? Let's see.
The jail minion.
It's a little Hawaiian minion.
Oh, that's so cool.
It's so cute, and it's perfect because it's from Hawaii. Ooh, let's open him up. Ooh, are you gonna see what other ones are there? Let's see. You can collect all of them. There are 18 toys to collect. Let's find which one we got. We got which one? That one right there. I think. Oh no, I think we got the big one. Right? Let's find a match. We got him, the one in the middle. Right? Something like that. Yeah, this one. Very cool. That's awesome. Oh, and maybe we'll collect more.
I like this one the best.
Which one?
This Haya one.
The Haya one? The
Yeah.
karate one?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us today, Noa Show. And what do we say to Auntie Green?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. We'll see you later, Noah.
Bye. Give thumbs up if you like more chocolate eggs.
This is the
Noa Noa Show.
Bye-bye. And please
Subscribe. Bye.